Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two sales outreach platform, which is Snov IO and Warmy. So let's get started with the in-depth review and comparison about the two platforms. In 2025, Snov IO deliver a complete cold outreach toolkit combining lead generation, email funding verification, drip campaign, and CRM features into one platform. It ideal for sales teams who want to scale outreach and automate follow-up while keeping things data driving and trackable. Warmy on the other hand focus specifically on email warm-up and deliverability, helping user improve senders reputation, avoid spam folder, and boost open rates through AI-powered inbox engagement. While both tools support sales success, they serve different roles. So if you're looking to run and manage full outbound campaign from start to finish, Snov IO is the better all-in-one situation. But if your emails are landing in spam or you are just starting out with a few domain, Warmy is essential for fixing deliverability. And here's a overall conclusion about this. So you can use Snov IO for outreach campaign, but prepare it with Warmy if inbox placement is a problem. And that's it. So if you find the review a little bit more helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.